Guys, so today I'll be presenting to you a setup tutorial and an unboxing of our GoliveMic GL-1. So when you open up the GoliveMic GL-1, these are all the things that you will get inside. So firstly is a wire splitter cable, a receiver, a transmitter connected to the mic. This is a USB with 2 charging heads, an extra phone cap and a 5mm audio jack and a clip. So for the setup part, if you are using your phone to record, please do remember to use this wire splitter cable. So on this splitter cable, there is a plug for your earphones and there is a plug for the mic. So once you connect this into your phone, you can connect the receiver of the mic onto the mic port just like that. And if you're using an iPhone or a Type-C cabled phone, please do remember to use an original converter. So once this is plugged into your phone, you can automatically record. However, if you're using a camera to do your recording, you do not need the wire splitter cable. You can just directly connect the receiver onto the mic port on your camera. Okay, so just like that. So for charging wise, this USB cable can be charged into your cable head, and then you have 2 small charging ports. So you can charge your receiver and your transmitter at the same time. So when you're charging it, it would have a red dot on this end, and once it is fully charged, it will automatically turn off by itself. Okay. One full cycle of a charge can last up to 4 to 5 hours of recording, and it will take about 3 hours to fully charge this mic. Moving on to the connection part. For connection wise, all you have to do is turn on the transmitter and turn on the receiver, and after the blue blinking is stable, means that it is auto pad. Okay. For iPhone users, the usage of the GL-1 is very direct. All you have to do is just plug in according to the steps above, and you can directly record with your camera, or you can directly do a Facebook live session. Okay. However, this is a very important point to note for Android users such as Samsung, Huawei or Oppo. You must download the Open Camera app and do your recording on the Open Camera app and activate the external microphone on the app itself. If you use your built-in camera to do your recording with the GL-1, you might find that you cannot record any sound when you do your playbacks or when you do your Facebook live session. So please remember to download the Open Camera app and record it through that app itself. So for recording on your laptop, it's the same as recording on your handphone. You will need the wire splitter cable as well. So you plug the wire splitter cable into the audio jack port of your laptop, and then you plug the receiver into the mic port of the wire splitter cable, and then if your laptop comes with a built-in microphone port, you do not need to use the wire splitter cable. You can just connect the receiver into the port. Okay, so once this is connected, you go to the settings of your laptop and go to the sound configuration and activate external microphone. Later on, you can try the mic test on voice recorder and playback to see whether there's sound. Although the GL-1 is a very good mic, it has a small limitation. So if you find that you have any interference while recording, it might be due to you have any blockage between the transmitter and the receiver while recording. So if you're facing problems of interference, please do make sure that the surrounding of your recording space is clear of any blockage of the frequency, or you can opt to turn off for any appliances with high frequencies. So if you desire to do 2 people talking sessions, you can opt for our GL-1 combo kit, which comes with 2 GL-1s. However, this function can only be used on your phone recording and it cannot be used on camera recording. So if you buy our combo kit, we will provide you with another cable, which is the FP2 cable. Through this, you can connect this to your phone and connect both the receivers of the mic onto this cable itself and do your recording. If you're wondering about the sound quality of GL-1, this whole video is recorded with the GL-1 itself, which I'm wearing it right now. So this is the proper way to pin it onto your shirt when you are doing like a recording like myself. So yeah, that's all from me today, and happy recording everyone.